Top 5 Best Shark Robot Vacuum and Home and Office Cleaner. Top 1. Shark Avenue 1010 AEIQ Robot Vacuum with XL Self-Empty Base, Bagless, 45-day capacity, advanced navigation, Alexa and Wi-Fi, multi-surface brush roll, for pets, dander and dust, carpet and hard floor, black. Forget about vacuuming for up to 45 days, a bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. Faster mapping speed for a quicker total home map compared to the previous model, RV1001AE. Better carpet cleaning, improved carpet cleaning performance compared to the previous model, RV1001AE. Multi-surface cleaning, multi-surface brush roll pulls in all kinds of dirt and debris from carpets and floors. Top 2. Shark RV1001AE IQ Robot Self-Empty XL, Robot Vacuum with IQ Navigation, Home Mapping, Self-Cleaning Brush Roll, Wi-Fi Connected, works with Alexa. Forget about vacuuming for up to 45 days, a bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. Powerful suction, deep cleaning power to take on large debris, small debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. Filter type, non-washable filter. No hair wrap, self-cleaning brush roll removes pet hair and long hair as it cleans, no more hair wrap. Phone or voice command, schedule whole home cleanings or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Top 3. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum Avenue 992 Row Cleaning, perfect for pet hair, compatible with Alexa, Wi-Fi, incredible suction, deep cleaning power to take on large debris, small debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. Row by row cleaning, methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. Recharge and resume, the Shark Easy Robot Vacuum will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. App voice control, easily start cleaning with Google Assistant, Alexa, or one tap in the app. Top 4. Shark Avenue 2001 AI Robot Vacuum with Self-Cleaning Brush Roll, Object Detection, Advanced Navigation, Home Mapping, perfect for pet hair, compatible with Alexa, Gray. Powerful cleaning performance, incredible suction picks up all kinds of dirt and debris, and in Ultra Clean mode, you get 30% better carpet cleaning, versus RV1100AE Single Pass coverage, tested with sand on level loop. On-demand deep cleaning, select Ultra Clean mode in the Shark Clean app to target specific rooms, high-traffic zones, or spots for multi-directional deep cleaning coverage. Perfect for homes with pets. With powerful suction and Shark self-cleaning brush roll, the robot picks up pet hair and removes it from the brush roll as it cleans. Top 5. Shark RV750 Ion Robot Vacuum with Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control, renewed, bundle with 1-year CPS Enhanced Protection Pack.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.